I just completed restoring this BC-946. It was a World War II vintage 1943 contract. I went through and replaced all the capacitors, added a 8-ohm output transformer, put the new faceplate on, and it's just amazing how well these things perform. It also has a solid state inverter for the dynamotor replacement. I'm just going to tune through the dial real quickly. It's about 7 a.m. here in Houston with the outside broadband magnetic loop.
Solutions exclusively for repair.
For America, and it's a
Athletes have been using for years.
Every 10 kilohertz is a radio station. It's just amazing.
Is the simple, easy solution.
Cashback for every gallon of gas. Firm is not affiliated with or endorsed by the U.S. government or any governmental agency.
Just thought you'd like to see that. It's just a great radio.